Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my secrets on how to grow a stunning cut flower cottage garden right from seeds. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner with a green thumb, this video will show you step by step how to create your own vibrant and blooming paradise. Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here today. There's something truly magical about growing your own flowers from seed and watching them flourish into a breathtaking display. So let's dive right in and I'll show you how you can do it too. First things first, let's talk about seed selection. Choosing the right seeds is essential for a successful cottage garden. Opt for a variety of flowers that complement each other in terms of color, height, and bloom time. I love to include classics like cosmos, zinnias, sunflowers, and sweet peas. You can find these seeds at your local garden center or order them online. Here are some of the seeds I'll be planting today. Each packet holds the promise of a beautiful bloom. Remember, follow the instructions on the back of the packets for optimal planting times and conditions. Now, let's prepare our garden beds. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Cottage garden flowers thrive in well-draining soil. So if your soil is heavy or clay-like, consider amending it with compost or organic matter to improve its texture. I've already prepared this bed by loosening the soil and adding compost for nutrients. Now, I'll gently rake the soil to create a fine, even seed bed. It's time to sow our seeds. Refer to the seed packets for specific spacing instructions. Generally, you'll want to scatter the seeds lightly over the soil surface and then lightly press them into the soil. Keep in mind that some seeds, like sunflowers, may need to be planted deeper. I'm planting these zinnia seeds about 6 inches apart. This spacing will allow them room to grow and flourish without overcrowding. Once you've planted your seeds, give them a good watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged during the germination period. As your seedlings emerge, thin them out if needed to ensure proper spacing and airflow. Watering is crucial, especially in the early stages. I'm using a gentle spray to avoid disturbing the seeds. As your seedlings grow, provide regular care by watering during dry spells and fertilizing with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases and address them promptly to protect your garden. Checking in on your plants regularly is key. Look how these cosmos are coming along nicely. Before you know it, your cottage garden will burst into bloom. As the flowers mature, you can start harvesting them for stunning bouquets. Cut flowers in the morning when they're at their freshest, and immediately place them in water to prolong their vase life. I'm harvesting these beautiful sweet peas today. Just look at these colors, they'll make a lovely bouquet. And there you have it. Growing a stunning cut flower cottage garden from seed is incredibly rewarding and accessible to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. Remember, with a little patience and care, you too can create your own floral paradise. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to share your own gardening tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening inspiration. Happy gardening, everyone!